We are responsible for efficient and economical provision of water in the 4 counties of Kitui, Machakos, Makueni, and Kajiado. Our vision is a model water and sewerage infrastructure development board. Our mission is to develop accessible, robust bulk water and sewerage infrastructure in the 4 counties in line with the Kenyan Vision 2030. Our strategic objectives are clear and our core values include excellence, integrity, teamwork, responsiveness, creativity, and innovation. Our complete projects include Masinga Kitui Water Supply and Sanitation Project with a floating intake and wastewater stabilization ponds in Kitui town. The project, which has a capacity of 9,000 cubic meters in a day, was completed in June 2015. The 90,000 distribution line has a 13-kilometer rising main serving 180,000 persons with water and over 59,000 persons with sewerage water within Kitui town. The rehabilitation of Yatta Canal water project is our second milestone, funded by the African Development Bank and the Government of Kenya. Its impact is enormous in the area of irrigation water and livestock water, boosting agriculture. The project currently serves 5,000 farmers and 75,000 residents accessing clean water. Other projects completed by the board in the past include Masinga Kaiwa Water Supply Project, Umanyi Mutitu Andei Water Supply, Dhua Kinakoni Water Supply Project, Bonza Water Supply Phase 1 and 2, Ikanga Mutomo Water Supply, and small dams and water ponds. Ongoing water and water waste projects include Mavoko Drinking Water Supply Project, systems, Migwani Water Supply Project, Matungulu Water Supply Project, Masinga Cluster Water Project, Machakos Water Supply and Sanitation Project, Mala Cluster Water Supply and Sanitation, Oloitoktok Water Supply, Darugu Dam Water Supply Project, and finally drilling and equipping boreholes. Ongoing designs include Yatta Dam and Yatta Water Supply Project, Olo Loitikosh Water Supply and Sanitation Project, design of Mwanya Water Supply Project, Ongata Rongai, Ngong and Mavoko Water Sewerage Project. A number of projects are under feasibility studies. We have delivered, we are delivering, and we shall deliver.